so excited for this video. I haven't done my nails in forever. I don't remember the last time. My hands are so dry, it looks like I am so ready for this video. Less than a month ago, the company Beauty Big Bang reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review anything on their website. They gave me a $15 budget and said, pick whatever you want and review it on your channel. It is my first partnership. So I was like, oh God, this is a time you get in trouble with your subscribers. The only way I can do this is if I actually get from the website something I would have spent my own money on. And so I went on the website. At first I was like, not doing it. It's not working. And then I was like, well, there are things on this website that I would have actually put my money for, but I would have usually gone for AliExpress, Wish, or eBay. So I was like, instead of buying those things on AliExpress, eBay, or Wish, I could try this website out. One thing that I've always wanted to do, and I've talked about this to my best friend who did my nails for the wedding, I told her that I wanted to try to find the top coat of the gel and the UV lamp that I could use with my own nail polishes. I have a huge collection of nail polishes. As much as I like how long acrylic and gel last, I don't like that I would have to get rid of my nail polish collection, or that I would just have to leave it there and just forget about it. And on their website, after scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, I found a UV lamp that was under the budget, and I found the top coat that was under the budget. So I told my best friend, and she's like, maybe you would need the base coat just to make sure that everything would work together. I'm like, okay, that's over the budget. And so I reach out to the company again, and they say, oh, that's no problem. If you want to get the base, you should probably do that. So I was super excited because I was like, yeah, I'm finally going to try something I actually wanted to try, and I'm not doing this partnership just for the sake of doing a partnership. So this is the package I received. I just want to mention too that one of my friends tried to do the same thing with gel polishes and the UV lamp, and she was like way over the $20 of my budget. And the lamps that I've seen online on AliExpress and everything, they were kind of big. So what do we have? We have this card, beautybigbang.com. Just a card. Okay, thanks for the card. Then we have the LED nail lamp. The box is a little cracked, guys. I ordered the white one and it says WH, so I hope it's white. I'm not trying to be picky here. It's white. It looks like this. I think it's kind of cool. It's kind of a cool idea. It's very tech. It's light, and it's what I'm interested to see if I'll be able to use it while traveling. It has a USB port, and I have a cable here. And I think what I'm supposed to do is plug it while I'm using it. Is there any instruction on this? It is a 12 watt. I thought I would let you know that. Rated input is 100 to 240 volts, which is kind of interesting to me. The cable is pretty long. Okay, and I think I'm gonna have to go get, because it doesn't turn on, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go get my laptop. Then we have the two products. They look like this. It's kind of a heavy bottle. This is the base coat, 15 milliliters. That's pretty decent. So the UV lamp is now plugged to the computer and it works. For the color, I'm gonna be using this dusty red pink color from Essie. It's called In Stitches. If I can find a link, I'll put it down below. I've been really into those dusty colors these days. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just really wanted to go with something I had in my collection. I wanted this review to be real life, not doing a tutorial. What I'm gonna do is first take the shiny part out of the nails, because that's what all nail technicians do, and then shape my nails the way I would want them to be. Okay, I'm gonna use this side, or maybe this thing. This didn't come with the kit, I had this already. We're gonna take out all shiny parts. If you don't have one of those sponges, you can always use one of those files. I just already have this, so it's like a hard sponge. I've removed the shiny parts out of my nails. Now, what we should be doing is apply the base coat, put it under this for 3 minutes. what I will do is set a timer. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I do my left hand. I'm gonna do the 4 fingers, the thumb, the nail polish, and then the top coat. And then I'll finish my right hand off camera and I'll come back for the final review. So now let's start with the base coat. I'm trying to not go with a heavy hand, just because I don't know how the product's gonna react. It's pretty easy to apply. It's like a transparent nail polish. One hand is done. I turn on the light and I'm gonna start the timer. Now I'm gonna cure the thumb. Apparently I was supposed to use alcohol after I did the dust. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the color. I usually do 2 coats. So this is a regular nail polish, which means that I won't cure this in the machine. I'm supposed to air dry this. It's not the most opaque color, but it's all right. So we're gonna let this air dry and we'll come back for another coat. It's pretty much how to turn your regular nail polishes into semi-permanent nail polishes, because this is not gonna be, yes, those are UV gels, but really what we're doing is transforming this into semi-permanent gel nail polish. All right, I think it's ready for the second coat. Try to not put too much. What I really like about this so far is that I feel like it makes my nail polish look more soft. Like the surface of it looks really good. It doesn't look bumpy. Like my nails are kind of bumpy. And it just makes my nail look very nice. So that's a good thing, right? So now it looks like the nail polish is actually dry. So we're gonna go with the UV gel, clean free. I'm hoping clean free means that you don't have to wipe over, and that when after it's done curing that it will actually be just done. All right, this is really thick, but we're gonna start with the thumb. I'm gonna cure this for 3 minutes. I don't know why I started with the thumb, you guys. I just said I would do my 4 other fingers before I would do the thumb, but yeah. What is really cool, and you can probably see this, is that because this lamp is so tiny, like I'm able to move it around so I don't have to like move myself too much. It's comfortable for me to be like this, so I'm able to move the lamp around. And this is really cool. One already plus thing about this. Okay, so this one's just 3 minutes. Yeah, base coat 1 minute, top coat 3 minutes. I really like how smooth my nails look. When usually I apply nail polishes, they're all like bumpy because my nails are bumpy. I really hope this worked, you guys, because this is going to be a revolution. I'm always going to use this. And I have tutorials in mind, especially for my beloved believers. Just hope we'll make it happen. Don't you hate when you're able to do really nice nail polish, like cool art, and then your nail polish just chips off? So what I think is that the lamp shuts off after like every minute, and you could think, oh, it's annoying, like I wish it would just last longer. I don't, because I'm now realizing that I just have to press it 3 times and I don't need the timer. Yeah, I could be applying the top coat to my other nails while it's curing, but kind of don't want to. Kind of just want to chill. Okay, turned off. So you guys, it's dried, it's all soft and ready, and I can move on and live my life. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this on my other nails now. Oh my god, this is so cool. And I just remembered how much I've spent on my last top coat from Essie, for example. This is actually the price of the top coat from Essie, at least in Belgium, is the price of the UV lamp, and the top coat. I cannot tell you if it would work with just the top coat because I didn't want to risk it, and then it just ends up being like shit, you know? Okay, now we're curing my last 4 fingers. It heats up a little bit of your fingers, but not in an awkward way, and it actually feels good because I don't know if you guys noticed when you guys put on your nail polish, sometimes you press too much on your fingers, or just because your fingers are staying still, it gets cold. It's nice to have a little bit of heat, a little bit, like it's nothing. God. They're all dry. I mean, for you guys, it might not be a revolution that UV gel does its job, but I've never used it on my own. It's the first time I do. It's like I have one hand done. It was so quick to do. All right, so I'm gonna do my other hand off camera, and then I'll come back to give my honest review. All right, guys, I am done doing my nails. It really didn't take a long time. Absolutely no more than if I had done it with just nail polishes. So I'm gonna review the company first. The company, they've been really nice, helpful. They answered all my questions. Of course, I had more questions than I normally would because it was my first partnership. So I was a little anxious. I don't know. I didn't know if I wanted to do it. They didn't push me to do it, but every time I asked a question, they had the answer for it. When I said maybe I should try the base coat too so I can give an honest review, they didn't have a problem with it. They were not being like, oh no, maybe you should just do the top coat and get over it. I don't know, maybe it would work just fine with just the top coat, but they offered me a coupon code that will be listed below and on the screen. It's KBX10 and it will give you 10% off your purchase. There's no minimum to buy. That's what I really like from their website. So it means if you want to just buy one product, you can buy the product and not pay the shipping for it. Prices are really low. It's very comparable to the other websites like AliExpress, Wish, eBay, all those. This one is mainly focused on beauty products, so that's cool because you don't have to spend 3,000 hours researching things. You have categories, and that's what I liked when I was going through the website. I really went through every pages they had. Since they gave me an amount of money to spend on their website, I wanted to have a good understanding and overview of what they had so I could buy the item that I really wanted the most. So the company, I really have nothing bad to say about. Obviously, they shipped the package themselves, like they knew who they were sending it to, so I cannot review what it's like to buying from them, like how well it will be packaged or anything like that, because mine was pretty decent. It could have been better, obviously, but it's China, so if you're feeling like purchasing something, I really recommend using the code. Also, they told me that if 6 people use the code, then I can do a giveaway. Of course, that would be really nice for one of my viewers to win something. I also hope I can review more things from their website. I got my package under a month. Again, I don't know if that would be the case for you because I've never bought anything on my own. So now onto the products themselves. I will start with the base coat. The base coat, nothing to say about this. It works. It does the job. It didn't stop my nail polish from applying right. It actually probably helped it. The only thing I'm not sure about is it says you can't apply it directly to the nails. I don't know if it's just the sticker that they copy paste or if they really mean it, but sorry I didn't follow the instruction. Base coat is a base coat. Maybe I'm supposed to use a primer. I don't know. I'm not a nail tech. Will never be. So base coat, really good, cheap. All the prices will be listed below again through the links if you want to check on your own. The nail polish, it's the nail polish. Whatever nail polish that you will be using will do the job that it will do. I noticed that it applies a little better, a little more smoothly, but that's thanks to the base coat. The top coat, perfect. Honestly, it cures in 3 minutes, so that means your nails are ready, set and done in 3 minutes. It's clean free, so it means you don't have to wipe with anything else. You just apply it like you would apply a regular nail polish top coat. 3 minutes and you're good to go. Also, I wanted to mention that if you don't want to use your own nail polishes, they also sell UV nail polishes like this, so or like UV gels or semi-permanent nail polishes or anything that cures with UV works. But I really want to insist that my intention filming this video is for you to use what you already have at home, so you don't have to switch to a new system. You don't have to throw away everything you already own. You just go with what you have. You add a base coat, a top coat, the UV lamp, and you're good. Now talking about the UV lamp, which is the thing I'm the most excited about, because those are pretty easy to find online, but the UV lamp, it's often pricey. It's not easy to travel with or to keep it at home. Not everybody has a huge stand for them to put all their nail tools, or not everybody wants to become a nail tech. They just want to have nice nails. It looks like this, super nice. They have it in different colors. They have it in red, black, white, and they have a bright pink. It plugs with this USB cable. What's awesome about the fact that it plugs this is that it means you can use it on the wall using one of those wall plugs that you get whenever you get a new cell phone. So you can use a wall plug, you can use a computer, you can use anything that will charge a phone. Any external charger will work, and it is so travel friendly, you guys. Look at this thing. If you're traveling and you're like, oh shit, I'm going to Europe or I'm going to America, and you're worried the watts will mess this up, well, it won't, because it's between 140, so you're good to go. You can plug this to the wall as long as you're using the right wall plug, or to your computer. You could even use this on the plane, for God's sake, like in the car. Like, this is the tiniest UV lamp I've ever seen in my life. It's easy. You just press this button. You don't have to get underneath anything. I was really stressed out to do this partnership because, like I said before, it is my first one, and I didn't want to do a shit review about a shit product or something I'm not interested about. And I was really excited about this because it's something I really wanted to do before. I thought it was going to be kind of an investment and buy a crazy amount of products and all that, and here it's like 1, 2, 3, boom, good to go. I am so excited about this. Again, I cannot recommend it enough, just because I feel like it's changed my life now. Like, I'm never going back to a regular nail polish top coat. Like, my nails, talking about the top coat, my nails are so shiny. They look so nice. They look like I went to the nail salon and got them done. It's crazy. I messed up a bit. That's my own fault. It's nobody else's. Yeah, so if you're gonna check the website, please use the code so you're saving some money. I'm not getting anything from that, by the way. I'm not getting a percentage. I'm not, like, I've already got what I wanted. So the code is just for you guys, and I'm probably going to use it for myself. I'm glad that tonight I can go out and have pretty nails. I think that's really all I had to say about this. I am super excited. Thank you for the support on my last video, by the way. It meant the world. I think I'm done rambling, and I hope you learned something today. That's always my goal whenever I make a video. Hope you learned something. All right, guys. Bye.